You've heard it a million times, start a business and you'll be rich. But what if I told you that might be the worst advice for your 20s? Yes, you heard me right. Don't start a business. At least not the way everyone else is doing it. Intrigued? Let me show you a different path. One that's more likely to make you rich and faster than you think. Now, before you start questioning everything, let me ask you this. How many young entrepreneurs do you know who have poured their heart, soul, and savings into a business only to see it fail miserably? It's not because they weren't smart or hardworking. They were just missing something crucial, and that something is the reason why most businesses fail within the first few years. You see, starting a business without the right preparation is like trying to win a game without knowing the rules. Sure, you might get lucky, but more often than not, you'll end up frustrated and broke. The truth is, there's a better way to set yourself up for financial success, and it doesn't involve rushing into entrepreneurship. Let me share a story with you, one that might just change your entire approach. Imagine you're fresh out of college, full of big ideas and ambition. You've got this brilliant business concept, and you're convinced it's your ticket to the top. You dive in headfirst, invest all your savings, borrow money, maybe even quit your job to go all in. But as the months roll by, reality sets in. You're not seeing the results you hoped for. The customers aren't flocking in, the money's not rolling, and you're burning through cash faster than you can make it. Sound familiar? This is where most people panic, give up, and declare that entrepreneurship isn't for them. But here's the thing, they're not wrong about their potential. They're just wrong about their approach. What they needed wasn't a business idea, it was a foundation. And that foundation is built on skills. Think about it like this. What if, instead of starting a business right away, you spent your 20s mastering high-value skills that will serve you in any industry? Skills like negotiation, marketing, leadership, or even coding. Imagine the advantage you'd have. You'd be stepping into the business world not as a rookie, but as someone who's already valuable, someone who can turn any idea into a success because you've got the skills to back it up. And here's the kicker. While you're building these skills, you're also making money, gaining experience, and building a network. You're not just waiting around, you're preparing for the moment when you're truly ready to launch something big. By the time you're ready to start your own venture, you'll have the knowledge, connections, and resources to hit the ground running. No guesswork, no faking it till you make it, just pure execution. But wait, it gets even better. The skills you're stacking aren't just for business, they're life skills. They'll help you negotiate better deals in every aspect of life, communicate more effectively, and lead with confidence. You're not just preparing to start a business, you're preparing to dominate whatever field you choose. So here's the twist. The key to becoming rich in your 20s isn't starting a business, it's becoming a master of skills that make you indispensable. Skills that, when the time is right, will allow you to build a business that's not just another startup, but a powerhouse. Think about it. While everyone else is rushing to start something, you're methodically building the tools you need to ensure that when you do start, you don't just survive, you thrive. You won't be the person who tried and failed, you'll be the one who prepared and succeeded. And that's how you truly win the game. So, if you're in your 20s and thinking about starting a business, I challenge you to pause and ask yourself, are you ready? Not just excited, but truly prepared. If the answer is no, then now is the time to focus on stacking those high-value skills. Because when you do, you won't just be starting a business, you'll be starting a legacy. Now that you understand the importance of building the right skill sets before diving into business, you might be wondering, how do you learn these skills? Where do you start? Well, let me share a secret with you. The most powerful skill you can ever master is the art of selling. If you can sell, you can thrive in any business, any industry, and any situation. Selling isn't just about making money, it's about convincing, influencing, and turning ideas into reality. It's the one skill that separates the successful from the struggling. But here's the thing, even the best business idea will fail if you don't know how to sell it. On the flip side, if you can master the art of selling, you can turn any dream into a success story. So how do you learn to sell like a pro? How do you develop this game-changing skill that can take you to the top? I've got something special lined up for you, a deep dive into the world of selling, where I'll show you exactly how to sell anything, to anyone, at any time. Trust me, this is a skill you cannot afford to ignore. Missing this could be the biggest mistake of your life. So, if you're ready to take the next step towards mastering the art of selling, click on the video coming up on the screen. Don't miss out. This is your chance to change your future.